Glad to see you again. To celebrate, let's make something chocolatey, yummy, and clearly easy to make at homey. So, let's get started. First, we're going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. What should we put into the bowl? Of course, flour! Here I'm using whole wheat flour, but you can use all-purpose flour as you like. Then, chocolate powder, baking soda, and salt. Give a quick mix just until combined. Set aside, and now it's time to prepare another bowl for the wet ingredients. 4 ripe bananas. Twing! We're going to mash them. It's going to be 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. Next, we're going to add melted butter and a little bit oil into the bowl. And mix just until combined. And next, we're gonna add the beaten eggs into the bowl, then mix until well combined. And now, the last 3 ingredients. What are they? They are brown sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon powder. Put all of them into the bowl, then mix until well combined. Now, it's time to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Then gently fold in the chocolate chips into the mixture. Mix them until well combined and smooth, but also make sure to not overmix them. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Then, gently tap and move the pan from side to side to even the batter. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until the top is set and the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Tada! Finally, our easy peasy and yummy double chocolate banana bread is ready! This double chocolate banana bread looks so beautiful. This is going to be my favorite recipe. You know what? Normally, we need to wait until the cake has cooled down around 10 or 20 minutes. But, oh, I can't wait anymore. Let's cut one slice for now. Or one more. Or more. Oh my goodness, looks so good. Look at this. This is the best, totally delicious, sweet enough, which I like it so much. The chocolate chips, great. The bananas, oh, perfect. How about we add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream? Whoa, it's going to rock your day. This is totally amazing. So guys, don't forget to try this recipe at home and see you again next time. Bye!